Grassroots group in Beaufort County is waiting for its next day in court. It's taking matters into its own hands to keep its water clean. Back in September of 2013, the group filed a lawsuit against the state because it issued a permit to a mining company that could pump well water into Blounts Creek. In March of last year, an administrative law judge ruled against the Creek supporters, but they appealed. This past September, a judge ruled the case could continue. WNCT's Zora Stevenson reports on what's next.
Blounts Creek! Save Blounts Creek!
The chants may be from last year, but the message remains the same. A number of people in Beaufort County still want to save their creek from possible pollution from a mining company.
It's a recreational haven. It's a very beautiful, pristine creek, and it really should be protected for the long term.
The next step, a court date in May. In the meantime, local leaders are stepping in to help their constituents.
We as commissioners are here to serve and protect our citizens of Beaufort County.
Our citizens were concerned, and we went to bat for them.
About a month ago, the county manager, a number of commissioners, and representatives from Martin Marietta sat in these seats to discuss alternative options.
We told the Martin Marietta folks that we're not opposed to the quarry itself, we're just opposed to this one aspect of the quarry.
The company wants to dump millions of gallons of water into Blounts Creek. At a sit-down in March, the two parties discussed using a different creek. Commissioners say both parties stood firm.
It was a good, informative meeting, and I learned a lot about it, but at the end of the day, there was no budge.
Even though the meeting didn't change anything, Heather Deck with Sound Rivers still thinks the situation can be resolved without a judge.
Hopefully we'll be able to come to some resolution that may not then result in having to be in court.
Either way, they'll continue to try and
Save Blounts Creek!
In Washington, Zora Stevenson, 9 on your side.